Hey, this is 2 with 3D Cycle Parts. I just want to introduce you to the latest brand that we're carrying. Most of you probably know of Cyclops Adventure Sports. They sell a lot of lighting upgrades, LED lights, the like. We're stocking 3 products of theirs. We have the GN2 kit that's comes with it's two headlights. You know, the Gen 2 has 2 bulbs in it, one for high beam, one for low beam. So this comes with these the LED modules to fit those, and it's a plug-and-play setup. Comes with instructions. No fiddling with it, hassling with it. It's made specifically to fit the Gen 2 KLR. These work really good. People really seem to be real happy with these in general. So second thing that we're stocking is it's their 10th generation, their 10.0, their H4 LED bulb, high low beam. And so this fits the Gen 1 KLR. This also fits a lot of different vehicles, you know, ATVs, motorcycles, side by sides, different things that use anything that uses an H4 bulb. It should fit. So we have these on the website. This is a single bulb setup, and then we also have really neat. We have their tire pressure monitoring system. So this is pretty cool because it's got a display. It goes on the handlebars. It's waterproof, dustproof. It's selectable for bar and PSI. It's also selectable for Celsius and Fahrenheit on the temp. And so this thing monitors your tire pressure, but also monitors tire temperature to make sure there's nothing. You know, if you got a slow leak, it'll give you an alarm that like your tire's leaking. Slow leak. If you get a slow leak in a tire and you're on a straight section of road, if that tire pressure drops slow enough, sometimes you don't realize it. It's a little easier to realize if you're in turns and you kind of know your bike and you can realize something's up. So this is pretty neat. It's kind of some just insurance, but it's got these 2 sensors that screw onto the valve stems, and simple as that. That's how it monitors pressure. And so it's pretty neat. Really cool setup. Really excited to have these and offer these to you guys. So if you have any questions about these products, shoot us an email. Any questions about any of our other products, do the same. And so appreciate you taking a look. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. Go like our social media pages. Go check out our website. We're always adding new products. Sometimes there's little things we add that we're not making, you know, announcements about. But we're always adding these little things. Anytime customers, you know, ask for something, we try to add it. So we're here for you guys. So thanks for watching.